talk about how can you fix this problem on your Catch Runner app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Catch Runner app, or just click on search, then here add Catch Runner. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down here, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. When you just click on it, in here you search for Catch Runner, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.